In a report put together by several independent researchers, it has been found that participating in the arts nurtures the development of social, personal, and cognitive skills. Programs based on arts can improve academic achievement and decrease the tendency towards delinquency. It helps youth form positive attitudes about themselves and build self-esteem. Arts programs involve communication, interpretation, and understanding of complex symbols, much like mathematics and languages. It fosters higher analytical skills, and skills of evaluation and synthesis. Many of the programs make the child regularly use multiple skills, making him dynamic and versatile. Development of imagination, judgment, and philosophy are benefits of an arts-based activity. As opposed to the short 45-minute time of art classes at school, the extra time allowed in after-school activities allows children to get more involved. This results in more satisfactory opportunities for development of latent capabilities in the child. In turn, the child learns to set high standards of achievement. He understands what sustained focus is, and learns that regular practice is the way to excellence. In the shy or the withdrawn child, theater, speech, or drama lessons may be an outlet for pent-up emotions. As drama entails getting into the role of another person, the child learns to verbalize emotions and express thoughts. These reasons account for the popularity of arts-based activities. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.